In this video, I'm going to be taking you through once again 9Router, which is a proxy for your different AI coding tools. I've got my dashboard pulled up here, and you can see I've currently used 52 million input tokens running open code models such as DeepSeek V4 Pro, and the total cost is ringing in at $1.42. Now keep in mind this is estimated and not actually how much I've spent. If I come over here to open code, we can see how much I spent yesterday on DeepSeek V4 Pro. It's looking like $6.87, which is still a small fraction of how much you would be spending using something like Fable 5, which is $10 per million input tokens. So if you put that into perspective, this is just a drop in the bucket. And we can see all of that directly from within over here inside the 9Router proxy. This is just an app that you run on your computer. It's down here in the taskbar, and then you can bring this up at any time. And essentially what this is doing is it's routing requests from open code, in this case, through the 9Router proxy. So if I come over here and I just do like continue or something, we can see it is now connected to OpenCode Go because I'm using the OpenCode Go model over here. Actually, what I would want to do is switch models and use this one, which is the 9Router model. And you can see it's now connected to OpenCode Go. So it's routing all the requests through this particular LLM or coding harness in this case. And then I can also connect up OpenAI Codex, which is already connected, Claude Code, Kilo Code, OpenCode Free, and then I've also got Mimo in here as well. And you can see here I've already got Claude Code connected, but it does say that there's a risk notice right here. It says this provider uses a subscription OAuth session, not officially licensed for proxy router use, and your account may be restricted or banned. So it's recommending to use at your own risk. But I've connected it anyway, and we can see it's currently getting an error because I haven't actually connected it up inside the command line interface tool over here. So I'm avoiding using this one through 9Router because I don't want my account to get suspended, obviously. And the same goes for the Codex app. But I'm mostly using it for the free ones like OpenCode Go. And then also I want to try to connect up Kilo Code. So I've got Kilo Code running over here. And if we do \models, you can see this one also has like a lot of free models. So in order to connect this one up, I would need to come on down to CLI Tools, and then I would just select Kilo Code. It's currently not configured, and then I need to input my model over here. I also need to make sure this is all set up properly as well. So I would basically just need to input that in over here inside the auth file. But for now, I'm just going to skip that, and we're going to continue using OpenCode, which is already configured inside the CLI tools. In this case, I'm not really using 9Router to its maximum potential because ultimately what this does is anytime you run out of credits on one coding harness, it'll fall back to the other one. But in this case, I'm simply using it for OpenCode, and the main reason for that is because I'm enjoying tracking my usage over here and just seeing how much I can spend, how little I can spend, I should say, for the number of tokens generated. So 52 million tokens. I can take a look at my usage in Codex. Lifetime, I've used 5.8 billion tokens, and the peak was 326 million. But it doesn't actually show how much I've used today, as far as I can tell. But anyway, it's definitely more expensive than over here using OpenCode. And this is one of the main reasons why I like to use OpenCode, is just because it's so cost effective. And I typically just use the terminal for a lot of this stuff, because I'm on Linux and it just makes it super easy. So if I go ahead and refresh this, you can see it's currently not connected up to Kilo Code over here because I haven't configured the command line. But if I wanted to do it with Codex, we can do a continue, and you can see it's now connected to OpenCode Go. I could also do the same for the free models, and then it would just use the free models, but then I'd be spending absolutely nothing in credits. And we also have token savers over here as well. So this is another nice feature of using 9Router, especially if it's connected up to something like Claude Code. Fable 5 is the most expensive model, so it would be great to have a lot of these token savers built in, like Headroom. This is one that's built directly into 9Router. You just have to install it on your computer. 60 to 95% fewer tokens for JSON data, 15 to 20% fewer tokens for coding agents, so that's a pretty significant gain. especially if you're using something like Fable 5. And then they also have Caveman, which is a skill that saves on credits, as well as something called Ponytail. These are built directly into 9Router. All you have to do is turn them on, and then you can choose what mode you want as well. So it could be ultra savings or full or light. In this case, I'm only using OpenCode, which really is very, very cost effective. So I just set it to full. But if I did want to build in Claude Code over here, which I'm going to do eventually, this is going to save a lot on credits as well. And you can see how much you can save on credits using Caveman, Ponytail, and some other ones down here. You can build all of these in directly just by turning them on over here. So that way, you're saving the most number of credits possible. I've also got Headroom turned on over here as well. If I want to open up the dashboard for Headroom, we can see we haven't actually really saved anything yet by using OpenCode, but I would imagine if I were to build this into like Claude Code or Codex or something, we would see some pretty significant token saving gains over here. You've also got proxy pools. I haven't really played around with this all that much. We've got skills built in over here as well, so things to do image generation, text to speech, speech to text, web search, web fetch, all of that is built directly in to 9Router. And basically you can save on subscription fees, rate limits, tool output, expensive APIs. So that could be $20 to $200 a month if you're using something like Claude Code or Codex. You don't have to manually switch between providers. It's got the RTK token savers built in, like I just showed you earlier. You can maximize your subscriptions, Auto-Fallback built in. So we'll automatically switch between subscription, cheap, or free with zero downtime. So for subscription, we've got Claude Code, Codex, GitHub Copilot. Once that quota is exhausted, basically you run out of credits, it'll drop down to the cheap models, GLM 5.2, Minimax M3. Once that budget is limited, it will drop down to the free models like Kiro, OpenCode Free, Vertex. There's over 60 different AI coding models to choose from, and all you have to do is run this npm install command and then run it. Yeah, just have fun playing around with 9Router. There's a lot of different things you can do over here, including combos. So you can basically just set different models that you want to use for each one, and it will automatically cycle between those depending on which provider you're using. So this one, I'm just using Claude Opus 4.7, 4.8, and Sonnet 5. And then for Codex, I've got 5.4 Mini, which is my main go-to for anything in Codex. And then also 5.4, 5.3 Codex. And for OpenCode, I've just got these different models set as well. And then we can rearrange these as well depending on which one we want to use as the default and which ones are the fallback. So that's really nice to have. You can see all of the tokens that I'm using over here for each session as well. And over here, we're basically just continuing to build out my AI search visibility tool, which is coming together quite nicely. It's taking a bit longer than I expected to build with some of these tools like OpenCode. So when my credits reset for Fable 5, I think I'm just going to switch over to that, and then we should be able to knock this one out of the park relatively quickly by using a more capable model. But for now, I'm just using OpenCode, and we're spending almost nothing in credits, as I've already demonstrated over here. Today I've spent like 28 cents, and we've used about 5 million tokens so far. I could also switch to an even cheaper model or even one of the free models, and then I would be spending essentially $0 in tokens. So I think this is going to be the path moving forward for, if you're using a lot of different AI coding tools at the same time. You would just install something like 9Router or one of the mini competitors. You can also build Hermes Agent into this as well. I don't really use Hermes Agent all that often, to be honest, so I haven't actually integrated it in over here. Another nice thing you can do is you can take a look at your quota usage. So for the week on Codex, I'm about 52%, and I've got 2 resets this month, so I could just reset that anytime I want. But that's going to reset in 5 days. And then for the session, I'm pretty much maxed out. And then you can see Claude over here. I'm currently maxed out for the week, and that's going to reset on July 11th, and hopefully use Fable 5, and then I may even connect it up over here as well. So stay tuned for those videos, and go ahead and check out 9Router. It's completely free to get started. They don't charge any subscription fees, nothing like that, and all you have to do is run this npm install command and run it, and you're off to the races. They've got like 30,000 stars on GitHub. You can read through the website over here. and just see how it works with all the different models to choose from. Have fun playing around with 9Router, and also go ahead and check out my school community. We've currently got almost 3,000 members over here. It's now a free trial, and then the paid plans start at $29 per month. You can take a look around the classroom where I have all of the resources, tutorials, courses, including my coaching program, which is high ticket for 6 weeks. This one is $2,000. Would love to see you inside the coaching program, and then also check out the community. Feel free to introduce yourself over here. We're getting new people joining every single day. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Take care, stay safe, peace from Thailand. Signing off. We'll see you in the next one.